Hi class, it's your teacher, Teacher Elo, and I'm here to help you today with skills. We're going to talk about different skills for work or for your occupation, and let's look at what we have here. So the first thing is, what are skills? Right, it's kind of a tricky word. So skills are abilities. Right? So abilities are things you can do, like that. So usually we use this word, skills, when we're talking about work, jobs, occupations, maybe a job interview, and they ask you, what are your skills? What can you do? And you need to tell them your activities. What are the things you can do? Okay, so here we have 8 different ideas. So 8 different skills you can do. They're just examples. First one is drive. Drive. Second, cook. Cook. Third, use a computer. Use a computer. Number 4, fix a car. Fix a car. Number 5, read to children. Read to children. Number 6, pay bills. Pay bills. 7, shop. Shop. And 8, read a schedule. Read a schedule. Okay, so these are all examples. Of course, you can have different skills or you can be more specific. For example, number 1, you can say drive a truck or drive a delivery truck. That's a different skill. I don't know how to drive a delivery truck, but I can drive a regular car, an automatic car I can do. Another one like number 4, fix a car. So I cannot fix a car, but my dad can fix a car. I can fix a computer sometimes, right? So we all have different skills we can do, and you can of course change these. So here we're going to write some sentences with can. Remember, can means yes, it's positive, something I can do. I'm going to use me for the example. So number 1, drive. I say yes, I can drive. Right, I can drive a car. Number 2, cook. Yes, I can cook. Okay, I can cook a little, not too much, but yes, I can. Number 3, use a computer. Yes, I can use a computer. I'm using one right now. Number 4, fix a car. No, I cannot. So I can't fix a car. That's for me. I can't or I cannot fix a car. Number 5, read to children. Yes, I can do that. I can read to children. Good. Number 6, pay bills. Oh, every day, every day. So yes, I can pay bills. Okay, so bills like electricity, internet, water, rent for your living, gas bills, everything you pay, right? I can pay bills. Number 7, shop. Yes, I can do that. I can shop. And number 8, yes, I can read a schedule. Okay, remember a schedule is the time and the days of different activities. Maybe for work, you have a work schedule and you learn what are the days and the times that you work. Okay, so this is a chart with different skills. Perfect. And now we're going to look at a short story. So this is a paragraph of a student who writes about what do they do in their life, what are their skills. Okay, so let's read it together. My skills. My name is Carmen. I am a homemaker. I work at home. I have many skills. I can clean the house. I can drive a car, and I can fix a car too. I can speak 2 languages. I can cook tasty meals for my family. I can help my children with their homework, and I can use a computer. Very nice. So here we see Carmen, she has many skills. So the question, what are Carmen's skills? Okay, so I'm going to use a highlighter. I'm going to show you in yellow what she can do. Okay, so what is her first skill? First skill is right here. Clean the house. That's the first activity. Over here, I am a homemaker is not an activity. Okay, that just says the name of her job. And here, work at home, that's the location, but not the skill. Okay, next one, drive a car. Okay, next one, fix a car. Good. Next one, speak 2 languages. Good. Next one, cook tasty meals. Okay, what is this word, tasty? So tasty means very good or delicious. Delicious food. Okay, next one, help my children with their homework. This one's very important. So if you have children and you help them with their math, their English, you help them study, that is help your children with their homework. And the last one she can do is use a computer. Great, so she told us how many skills? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So she has 7 skills. She gave us a lot of information. All right, so your activity, what are you going to do, is write about your occupation. Okay, so occupation is the same thing as, job. Job. So what do you do for your job or for your occupation? Okay, so again, I'm going to tell you about me. So I am let's do the grammar here, English instructor. Instructor is the same thing as teacher, but that's the official name. English teacher or English instructor. And here I work at, that means the location, the place, maybe the city. So I work at, let's say, Cypress College. Okay, so that's one of the schools where I work. Okay, but you can tell me the name of the company, for example. Name of company, maybe just the city. If you work at the store, you can say the store or the school. That's perfect. Okay, that's your example. All right, so now you're going to write about your skills. Okay, so take the time, look at your book, look at different YouTube videos or different websites to find different skills. And you're just going to write maybe 5 or 6 ideas of what you can do. So again, for example, for me, for Teacher Elo, I will write, use a computer. Okay, I can speak, let's say 2 languages, 2 languages pretty well. What else can I do that's different? I can make videos. Okay. I can organize events sometimes. And what more? I can bake a cake. So this is like cooking, but this is in the oven, bake a cake. So I have some different skills here. Okay, make sure you write your skills too. Okay, so for the end, what you will do, your activity, is write a paragraph about your skills. So just choose any skills that you have and write a paragraph. And the paragraph should look something like this one. You can follow the style of Carmen's paragraph. So I can say, my name is Eloisa. I am an English instructor. I work at Cypress College. I have many skills, and then I continue. Okay, so you're going to write your ideas. I will show you my example here for a paragraph. My name is Eloisa. I am an English instructor. I work at Cypress College. I have many skills. Okay, now I'm going to tell you my skills. I can use a computer. I can make videos. I can speak 2 languages. And I guess I'll talk about cakes. I can bake cakes. Okay, so that's all. That's my paragraph. And we see, remember, you have to do this section here. Okay, so right here you have your indent. So make sure you leave a little space. And then every time you finish your sentence with a period, remember the next sentence goes right here. You just continue. Okay, so don't do 1, 2, 3, 4. We're not doing a list, we're doing a paragraph. And if you're interested, we have a video on how to write a paragraph. So you can also look for the Teacher Elo video for how to write a paragraph if you haven't seen that one yet. That one will help you with the style, right? So that one is pretty good too. All right, so I hope you learned something today. If you want to share your homework, you can send it to me via email, or you can leave a message here on YouTube. Just write your paragraph in the comments and I'll write a response to you. I'll let you know how you did. All right, so that's it for today. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you for watching the class, and you can subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can see a new video every week. All right, so that's it. Bye.